Hey hackers, Blue Cosmo from CCS here, and today I have a package, I have a box from Darren Kitchen himself, and it is filled with random goodies of Hak5 gear, is what he told me at least. And I'm actually kind of excited to open this, so let's open it, right? Alright hackers, so I've never recorded an unboxing video before, so I am using my normal webcam here. And the other camera I use up here to record down here, rather than the typical camera I use to record. Okay, never mind, it's not important.
What? What the f?
So let's open this box. I took my most random knife that I found in my box of random knives that I have. Yeah, I have like a bunch of knives. If you saw my EDC video, you would see that I have a lot of knives. That wasn't even like all the knives that I actually would have brought with me on an EDC. I have a Swiss Army knife that I could typically bring with me, but yeah, let me open this. All right, and we'll go down the middle. I'm just letting you guys know that this video is not sponsored by Hak5 or anything like that. Darren just wanted me to kind of review and just see the new gear and wanted my honest opinion about it. So that's what I'm going to do, just give my honest opinions about it. I'm sure I'm already know that these are really cool, but if you guys want to check out this gear and the other stuff that Hak5 sells and has and whatever, it will be in the link in the description, so feel free to click on that and check out their website and their products and everything like that. So yeah, let's get back into the video. Ooh, stickers. Oh, I like the color. That looks black and white. Let me see if I can like. All right, this is yellow and black, and that's black and yellow. It looks kind of white in the camera. I think it's because of the ring light. Okay, there you go. Yeah, that's a little bit better. So yeah, now you can kind of see the yellow of it. Something I have to give credit to Hak5 for is their packaging. They have like some of the best packaging I think I've ever seen in like my life. Like, look at this, dude. Like, that just feels sleek as heck. But this is the USB Rubber Ducky. Let's open it. Should probably get a more practical knife than the karambit. Alright, I'm gonna move this box over here a little bit. Alright, so card for the USB Rubber Ducky, and a bunch of little things for the Rubber Ducky. So here's the actual USB Rubber Ducky. Alright. Whoops. Oh, they have a new micro SD card adapter. That's cool. It has a little cover on it and everything. Because the older one has like, I don't know if I can find it. Where is it? Yeah, right here. This is the old one. So it kind of had like this micro SD card part you could put in here and had like this cover. But the new one looks pretty sleek. All right, and this is the case for the USB Rubber Ducky, so it looks more, I don't know, realistic, I guess. Oh, that is awesome, dude. If you don't know what the USB Rubber Ducky is, it is a keystroke injection device. It, you know, injects keystrokes into your computer. Basically pretends to be a keyboard, and anything your keyboard can do, this thing can do, right? And then lastly, we have the actual little case thingy. I don't know what this is called, to be honest. But yeah, now it looks like an actual thumb drive, right? It's cool, awesome stuff. Right, I'm gonna throw this out. I'm gonna keep the packaging, dude, because Hak5 has some seriously cool packaging. All right, next up we have Land Turtle. I haven't filmed a unboxing video before, so I'm sorry if this is like half boring or whatever. This is just some cards for it. This is the actual land turtle. Ooh, more of the stickers. I need more of these stickers. These are the adapter stickers, so you can put it on the land turtle to make it look like it's an actual Ethernet adapter, and people don't immediately suspect it for anything else. Put that over here. I'll put this with the pile of stickers. I'm saving up for a razor blade, and as in the computer, not as in a razor blade. And I wanted to put some of these cool stickers on it, so definitely some of these are going to go towards that. Yeah. All right, cool. This is a USB-A to USB-A cord. I guess it's just an extension cord for a USB in case if the port is too far away. It's pretty cool. And then we have a USB-A to USB-C adapter. Let's probably start organizing this a little bit, but I know it's not going to stay organized. I'm going to just keep reorganizing it throughout the video. All right. Next up, we have the shark jack. Little index card thing, and then the actual shark jack. I'm sorry, I didn't explain what the land turtle or any of this other stuff was. Land turtle is basically a device that can get you, I guess, get you reverse shells or get you shells on the computer, right? Hence the name turtle. And it's disguised as a USB-A to Ethernet adapter, and it actually works as a USB-A to Ethernet adapter, but you can also do some pretty cool stuff. With that, we have the shark jack. Shark jack is basically a Ethernet hot plug, right? You can run like Nmap scans on the network. You can do some other cool stuff. I need to explore the shark jack a little bit more. That's cool. Comes in this nice little can. It kind of looks like one of those Altoid cans. Here we have the Plunderbug. Actually, I haven't toyed too much with the Plunderbug before. I need to get a new Android, or I need to get a Android phone, because it's going to be very helpful with a lot of these tools and a lot of videos I want to do in the future. Trash. Oh, you can actually like open this. Just like tape. I thought you just had to like rip it open. Well, I'm going to rip it open anyway, but there you go. This is the Plunderbug. I need to explore this a little bit more, but it's basically a network sniffer. I know you can use your Android phone directly with this, and there's actually an app for this, which is pretty cool, but it's only available on Android. I have an Android tablet though, so I can probably work with these tools on that. We have the Keychain. I actually have this on my backpack, but it's so like worn out because again, it's on my backpack. Ooh, Key Croc. I love this color. You guys can't really tell the color. Oh, I can put it in here. Yeah. Yeah, this is the Key Croc. It is basically a hardware keylogger, right? As opposed to like a keylogging software. Cool little card. Yeah, Hak5 has awesome packaging. I know I said that earlier, but the packaging is just really cool. It just like makes it, you know, that much better. Or the unboxing experience that much better. I keep looking over here because my camera's typically over here, but now you guys are over here. I'm sorry. But yeah, this is the Key Croc. It's pretty cool. I'll just sit it down right here. Trash. You can just see the pile of trash right here. All right, this is the BashBunny. I think this is the new one, the Mark II. Cool, we can drop that right here. Oh, they have a new card, yeah. Look at that. I have the old BashBunny. I'm gonna put it over here because this looks easier for you guys to see. And, yeah. I like the color. I think the old one was like a beige almost. And this is the BashBunny. Oh, I like that. Let me get my old one so you guys can see the difference. For those of you who did not see one of the coolest series on this channel, this is the Ethical Hacker EDC. Just a bunch of gear that I put together to do basic hacking tasks like on the daily. And the cool thing about it, it's not like a backpack or anything. It's something you can bring with you like literally anywhere, every day. So feel free to check that out. I'll have it linked in the cards or the description or whatever. But this is the older BashBunny. I have a lanyard attached to it, but this is just for comparison. You can kind of see the difference. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna put the I have to put the Hak5 sticker, the BashBunny sticker on it, because you can actually like put the sticker and like wrap it around it, and it looks pretty cool actually. And that's a slot for a micro SD card in there. That is sick, dude. All right, yeah, let me put that down here. Let me put this stuff away. But definitely check out that EDC series. It was pretty cool to make. And now with all this new gear, I guess I should make a version 0.2, right? With the newer gear, with some cooler features or payloads. And if you have any cool ideas for payloads you want me to make, leave them in a comment down below. I'm sorry, I keep looking up here. I need to. All right, but this is Ethernet Essentials. Oh, this is so helpful, dude. Look at this. Ethernet cord, right? And it's like retractable. So you can bring this like on the daily with you to places. This should have been my EDC, but I guess I didn't really have a need for it, because I'm not bringing a backpack around. But if I make an ethical hacker backpack, that would be cool. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that for sure. This is just a normal USB-A to Ethernet adapter, unlike this one that's, you know, dropping shells and stuff. Now we have the Wi-Fi Pineapple. I think this is the Mark 7. Yeah, Mark right there. Wi-Fi Pineapple Mark 7. I know it's kind of inverted, I guess, but whatever. Oh yeah, that is so cool, dude. Ooh, even the card has the little character on it, the Wi-Fi Pineapple character. Oh, that's awesome, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some videos on these on these tools. I'll put that in there. Oh, that is awesome, dude. I'm not gonna fully unbox this because I might make a separate video on how to use this. But this is the Wi-Fi Pineapple. It is pretty cool. I have the Tetra over there, which is the older version. Not the oldest version, but it's an older version. But this is definitely gonna replace the Tetra over there. Don't tell them I said that. I don't even know where to put this. There you go. Yeah, you remember earlier in the video when I said I'm gonna try to keep this organized? Let's probably start organizing this a little bit, but I know it's not gonna stay organized. I'm gonna just keep reorganizing it throughout the video. And it's no longer organized. Let me... Yeah, my desk is a mess. Yeah, this is the Elite kit, I guess, like the actual bag. And the rest of this was just the Elite kit. Let me just... Yeah, so there's like a bunch of slots and pockets for you to store all of your gear. And that looks like that's it, which is awesome. So let me switch to my face. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. The gear he sent me is actually really cool. So So he basically sent me the Elite Kit, and I don't know if the BashBunny comes with the Elite Kit or not, but the BashBunny as well. Thank you so much, Darren, for sending me that. That was really cool. Definitely gonna make a lot of videos on these. But no, this is really cool. I'm gonna put the stickers on and all these other cool things. I'm gonna save some of these stickers as well for my dream computer, the Razer Blade. Feel free to send it to me. But seriously, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna make some videos on these. If you guys want to see anything specific for any of the tools that I was sent, then make sure to leave them in a comment below and I will make sure to do so. Anyways, that's going to be it. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the whole YouTube algorithm thing, and I will see you guys in the next one. So stay happy, stay positive, and as always, happy hacking.